Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. So today we'll be making tamarind juice. If you're interested, sit back, relax and enjoy. These are all the ingredients I'll be using to make this tamarind juice. They are very accessible, very easy to find. First on the list is vanilla essence. I'll be using that to flavor the drink. Then I have a stick of cinnamon, and I have some cloves, about a tablespoonful of that. Then I have some ginger roots. This is optional, you can choose to add it or not, but I love the flavor it gives to it. Then I have some sugar. That is what I'll be using to sweeten this. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Now, this is the star of today, our tamarind. This is what it looks like straight from the market, and that's what it looks like on the tree. It has pods covering it, and once it is harvested and the pods dry out, it is peeled like so. Yes, and then we are left with this fleshy part, and of course it has some seeds in it. So it is popularly called tamia in northern Nigeria. So if you're buying from the Hausa sellers and you ask of tamia, you will not miss your way, most definitely. So this is dirty, we'll wash and come back. So now that I have washed it, I'll put it into the pot and then go ahead and grate in the ginger roots like so. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not leave without subscribing. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, and of course leave me a comment. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate the support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you. So to that, after grating the ginger root, I added in the cloves and the cinnamon stick, and I took it to the stove top. Now I'll be adding enough water to make me some juice. So you add enough water as you want. So I'll just cover that and allow that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes thereabout. And 15 minutes later it has cooked, and this is what it looks like. You can see that the flesh is soft now. So using the back of the spoon, I'll just mash it to get more juice. So to that, I'll add in more water to loosen it up so it's easy for me to sieve out. So I went in with the sieve, and I'll begin to sieve it out to take out all the large chunks of the tamarind itself. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment as well. So after that, I'll have to sieve again to take out all the little particles that are left in. The sieving done, I'll now sweeten. I'll add in the sugar. So you add in the sugar according to your preference. So I'll add that in now that the drink is still warm, so that the sugar can dissolve easily. So I'll continue to stir that until the sugar dissolves completely. Now I'll add in about a tablespoonful, I'll just eyeball it, of vanilla essence. So I'll just continue to stir that until it is well combined and it is time to serve. On this day it was a very hot evening, so I decided to have mine as a cold drink. You can have it hot as a tea if that is what you want. So I just served this over some ice just to step down from the very hot day. So this is me just toasting to you guys. Cheers to you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Continue to stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.